Here are 8 new and exciting features in Vray 5.1 update. What's up guys, Idan here from archviz Champ, the best place to learn the archviz biz. Let's start with number 1. Multiple dome lights in one go. You can now render multiple dome lights simultaneously and edit them directly inside Lightmix. Makes it easier than ever to fine-tune the result. Number 2. Pixel perfect mask in the Vray frame buffer. It's now possible to modify the rendered objects inside the frame buffer instantly without re-rendering, using any of Vray's masking elements such as Cryptomatte, MultiMatte, Wirecolor and Material IDs, removing the need for post-processing in external software. Number 3. Advanced Material Override. You can now set a new material to the whole scene while preserving the original material properties such as opacity, bump, refraction, and self-illumination. Number 4. Auto-translation of physical materials. Autodesk physical materials are now auto-converted to Vray materials with no additional work. Number 5. Progressive Caustics. The new Caustics calculation method brings more realism in less render time. No more need for pre-calculating the photon maps. Number 6. New Vray material Translucency. It's now easier than ever to create realistic translucent material such as skin, plastic, wax, and more. Number 7. Improvement to the material look in the viewport. Vray materials now look closer to final render right inside 3ds Max viewport, making it easier to realize the outcome. Number 8. New content library called Chaos Cosmos. You can now download free high-end models and HDRI made by the industry top companies. Just open the browser and drag a model into your scene. Simple and free. If you want to check the full list of updates, click on the link in the description box below, and I'll see you next time.